Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in. If you want to see how I got these juicy two-strand twists, then stay tuned. I have you covered. I only use two products and I'll be showing you which products I was using and how to get that extra stretch. So this is his hair before, and this is how it's looking. I have him pull it down so you can kind of see the length in case you're wondering how long his hair is. So yeah, there you go. Okay, the first thing I got to do is cut his hair and make sure that that is done first, and stretch his hair out a little bit more. And you can do this style with stretch hair or not stretched hair. Now I'm just sectioning off his hair. I'm sectioning off the back. I part it from ear to ear. And then from the front, I make two sections because he wanted a middle part. And I'm just sectioning that off as well. So now you start off with three sections. And I'm going to start with the back. And I'm taking the rubber band off. And I'm just creating a part going across. And I'll be showing you two different methods of how to get the two-strand twist. I'm just using some shiny gel right here, and I'm just placing it at the scalp. And after I do that, I am creating the size I want to create two-strand twist, and I'm just applying some shiny gel at the root as well. And I'm just going to continue to part the size that I want, and adding that shine and jam to each part. So you want a little shine and jam at each part of the hair. That is just to smooth everything out. After you do that, I'm just using some Nairobi setting foam, and that is going to give you that juicy look. And you make sure that you rub that product into his hair, get you a comb, and make sure you detangle the hair the best you can. After that, you just want to start the two-strand process. And this two-strand process right here is the easiest method. You just grabbing two strands of hair and you just twisting the hair on top of each other. So it's just kind of like a crisscross method. It's simple, easy, and you just want to continue the process all the way down, making sure that that product is all the way in there really well. And at the end of the two-strand twist, you just want to get your finger and just twirl it around, creating like a little curl at the end of the two-strand twist. I'll be demonstrating that as well right here. There you go. And yep, that is it. For extra length, you want to just use a clip to put on the end of his hair, but I wasn't worried about that back of his hair, so I wasn't worried about put clips there. But when I get to the side of his hair at the top, I will be putting clips, and I'll be showing you that as well. Now with this first row that I am doing, like I said, I am doing the simplest method, and of course I'll be showing you a different method when I get to row 2, and I'll be showing you all the rows row by row, so you can kind of see what each row would look like, and also how many rows are you looking for to get this particular two-strand twist, how many rows of two-strand twist that you're trying to create. So these are kind of small, but you can use any size of boxes as you want. If you want like a more of a medium two-strand twist, or if you want a larger two-strand twist, just create the parting bigger. So it's all up to you and the look that you are trying to create. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also share this video out. It helps with the YouTube channel as well. So again, a shout out to all the subscribers at this moment of recording. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you for everybody that's watching and helping the channel grow. You are greatly appreciated. Thank you again. Okay, so I'm just continuing the process right here and just applying that Nairobi on his hair, and just continuing to create the two-strand twist. This is the first row completed. Now I'm just moving on to the next row. This is the second row with a different method. It gives you more of a rope twist, and of course I have a video on that as well that you can go back and look on the channel, and it's more of the rope twist instead of just the plain two-strand twist. But I'm just I'm putting the same products on there, but the twisting method is different. So I am twisting towards the left, And then I'm going to take another strand and I'm going to twist towards the left. And then I'm going to crisscross over in the opposite direction to the right, creating that rope twist effect. So depending on what method you want to use, it all depends on you, which method is easier for you. But of course, the more you do something, the better you get at something. So it all boils down to the preference that you prefer of the look that you're trying to get. So like I said, this method is more of a rope twist method that's creating a more sleek, smoother. To me, it's a tighter two-strand twist versus a more loose, juicy two-strand twist. But once again, it's up to you depending on the look that you're trying to create. Now, this is the row completed, the second row. Now, I'm going to continue to create two-strand twists. That's row 3. This is row 4. And now I am working on row 5. That's completed. And after that, I did row 6 through 8. That is the back completed. And like I told you, I will be showing you where I put clips on his head. So I started off one section of his hair in the front, on the side, and of course that's the clips right there. You just want to do that to create a little extra length, because as it dries, it kind of elongates the twist, if that makes sense. Okay, this is all his two-strand twist completed, and this is how his hair is looking before I put him under the blow dryer and sit for about 15 minutes to make sure everything is completely dry. Once that is done, I take the clips off, and this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this video is very educational and that you can follow it well. So, yeah, have a great, blessed day. And remember that you are special to somebody. Have a great, blessed day.